When students are taking an online assessment, it can be difficult to make sure that they're staying just in the assessment and not going to other web pages to look up answers. So I'm going to show you today how to use GoGuardian to create a blocking scene for Schoolnet because we have a lot of common assessments in Schoolnet. So I'm going to start here. Here we're on our main dashboard page, but I'm going to go to the Scenes button over on the left. And remember, there are two types of scenes. There are scenes that block certain websites. So you make a list and it's got 5 sites on it and those sites are blocked. But then we have allowed websites list. This one's a little more difficult to do because most big websites have several different web addresses that are incorporated, and you have to get all those web addresses in there for it to work. Luckily, we've made a shortcut that will help you make a Schoolnet allow. So I'm going to click Create List. I'm going to call it Schoolnet allow. I'm going to pick a color for it. We'll go with UFO green. And then I'm going to click Next. Now you notice this is normally where you type to search the websites you want to include in this list. In this case, we're going to go to Quick List. These are pre-prepared list of URLs. And you see at the very top here, you've got Quick List made by your district, Schoolnet assessment allow. So I'm going to check the box to add that and scroll down to the bottom and click Add to Scene. Now you'll see that right here, Schoolnet Assessment Allow is here, and that's the only thing students will be able to get to when this scene is running. So I'm going to click Save, and now you'll see that scene Schoolnet Allow is here. Let me show you how you put this into practice. When you're in your class, I'm going to go ahead and manually start my class. Remember, if you've set it up correctly with your digital learning facilitator, your classes will start automatically at the right time. But I'm going to start my English 2 class. Once you're in the class, you're going to go in the blue bar and click Apply a Scene. You're going to hit Select All to select all the students in your class. And you're going to go here and select from one of your scenes. In this case, Schoolnet Allow. When you're ready, hit Apply Scene. And now your students can only see sites that are related to Schoolnet. In fact, you'll notice that the site I was on was not Schoolnet, and so it's actually blocked it in this case. When you're done, all your students will be here who are being blocked by this scene. You can turn this off by simply clicking here and saying instead of Schoolnet Allow, I want to disable scene. And after a moment, it will unlock the students' computers. That's it. Hope this helps.